You've got to have your goals set in place and the KPIs which are going to track you reaching those goals. Now, there should be your company goals. Everybody should know them, whatever those goals are. And then that should try to trickle down. So then each department should have certain goals that lead to those company goals. To get those company goals, you need to have that department reach their goal. Then that department, depending on how many individuals you have in there, each individual position should have its own goals. Each of those goals should be tied to KPIs that can actually be tracked. So I know I'm giving you kind of high level here, but that's essentially the way that should work. And then you're able to track your actual team's progress and then your company's progress on achieving those goals. And you should have a way to track that on a weekly basis. A dashboard, what I've done in the past is just have each position track those KPIs and deliver them to you so you can review them.